Blade say ma jump with the cup.
Oh God.
That is it. That is it. I don't know, exploring JA group. It's on hot, so she a dance. Foot bottom a bun.
Ladies in the water. Ladies in the water. Hello, the floor is hot. Ready. Blade, come on, time. Blade, you ready?
Yeah, you're good.
Huh? I didn't catch it. No, he did. So, let's go again.
You don't need to fear.
How we jumping? That's where you're jumping from? Ready? What do you mean? You go out further. Please excuse me. I don't want to jump on your head.
Just don't jump pencil way.
Eric, man his head. They are jumping.
Yeah.
Eric, are you okay?
Huh?
Yeah, so good man.
Thank you. Yeah, ready? No, you're not. Ready? Alright, fine. Yeah, so this you good? You good?
Then like that. As long as you don't jump shallow, you're good.
I feel like I'm going to jump shallow.
No, so, alright, look at them jump, right? They're so deep, you know.
You coming to jump with me? Okay, so
Trade that.
You don't know, big up yourself. There, man.
You know, when they're on the drum, you're not the right thing, you know?
That is it.
That is it.
alright. I'm going to jump. Daddy.
Well, I only want to go up here.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
A lot of persons will jump. So you're even going to swim out? Okay, so fine. Are you going to swim out then? You want a chance that before you jump? See how the life jacket feels? Yeah, look, they're standing. And you can just waddle to see how you feel.
I said, them say if you jump out, I don't know, I never reach out.
Yeah, man,
It's
you
not
just shoot
mandatory.
out yourself.
Just
As long as you're not pencil, bend your foot, don't go straight
It's
down.
just that you don't step on the stones. Right. Your foot. That's all it is.
Yeah.
Come, we're going to jump. Come on, Freddy. Are you a jumping plane like a plane can swim?
Go on first. I'm copying my like Maggie somebody.
That's Rachel peeps.
Russia, how's the face?
My what?
The face.
What's the face?
Is the nose
Slide.
good? I don't appreciate that because she pushed me off and then she jumped.
Well,
So you said somebody should push her.
This is the Marine 60 now?
No, it's not 50.
No, Marine 60.
yo.
Come on, come inside.
Oh, they are jumping. Come up and
Wow.
no, ma'am.
Wow. Which is right. Oh my God. That is it.
Can just jump?
Yeah. Hold on, are you in the water, right? So you're not afraid.
Of course. But I'm going to do it anyway.
Them brave. I just see you left now.
But unless I'm reach falls, I'm never like
What going?
feelings.
What me say?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. We're outside in the Blue Lagoon, you know?
Yeah.
Take a chuck off, you know, brawling and
Right now.
disgusting, you know?
Cool.
That is it, man.
One bag of mermaid.
Yeah, I like mermaid them though.
Yeah.
Bag of mermaid them, you know? Okay, smuggle though.
Sorry. Ready. Alright, just so we make sure the way clear for you. Yeah, take a jump, you know. Yeah, boy. This dog afraid for jump, but him have to do it, you know, for the camera. Him afraid. You say him tall. Brother, me and you. Forward, no man. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, one flag outside, eh?
Forward.
What else? I'm foolish. Yeah, we're going to do that.
Forward.
Exploring the air, we are here. Blue Lagoon has reopened. It's amazing. 300 and something feet deep. What am I doing in the water? What am I doing in the water? But you know, we're exploring. So, we made it across the lagoon. We came all the way from over that platform. You can't even see it, but it's all the way over there. We are tired. We made it across. I am dying. Guys, he's gonna jump from the tree.
Monkey man.
Daniel, do next. Do next. The tree. No, you can stop right there.
Go on now. Oh, the sun.
She's so nasty. So 2,000 I'm life worth? Dirty style left. Just as that when at rakes.
Right. Auntie, wait, what they say now? I fish the monkey island at this point. I look what she got straight up with.
I can't even see her on the thingy to how far them there.
Look what she got straight up with her friend Trey now. Her Trey got swim come up always by himself.
Yeah, to go and get her. She said she was okay, but she was too far out.
Way too far.
I don't know.
She can't swim at all.
Can't swim.
Yeah, nonsense must be you. As a swimmer, that would never be me.
Ready.
Why you guys leave me, guys?
I want to go on there, so.
This is start and stop it. The one at the top.
Yeah. I wonder, like you see them a go left and then you see. Clear away a little bit.
Yeah, running.
You're right in front of me. Wow. Oh, God, is it?
Yo.
You come there right in front of me.
So they change your mind now?
No?
Oh.
I don't mind.
You want somebody to run with?
Oh man, water so hot for you, man.
Me first this time!
All right. Seriously? Ah, Tid. Me there, man. What you want me to do? You want me to come in the water? You want to swim across? Can't do that. Alright, may I come? Yeah, you're good now. Yeah, you're good. Out there, out there, out there. You're good.
Hey. You. Don't fight the water. Take your time. Relax. Yeah? Relax yourself.
Alright.
Alright, so where you saying? Flow Lagoon. One day.
Yes, self-forgiving.
I don't know, so we're on the Explore JA vlog. You know, how they are with? Who they are with?
Rachel.
Who they are with? Watch out.
It's hot girl ash sound, guys.
Alright,
Hot girl ash.
everything. Yeah, with Jackman icon. You know, Jackman barely over there with the Empress herself, the Princess herself, Queen herself, you know. How you enjoy the cold water. Icon of freeze. Oh.
Hey guys, Rachel here with Exploring JA. This is our third Blue Lagoon trip since the Blue Lagoon has reopened. It's amazing, the water is amazing, the vibe is great. Like, the lagoon is 300 and something feet deep, but life jackets will do it. Even if you don't want to jump, you can swim out. I beat out. Amazing stuff. Limited seats remaining for our August lineup. Just get out, you know, enjoy your island. There's so much here to do, so much to see. Why stay home? Truly, why?